name is Sagnak, and I'm from the Computer Science Engineering Department, and I study in the 5th sem currently. And I have also been the part of the team Return to Sleep, who recently won the SAP Semicolon 4.0 Hackathon under the operational domain, which had more than 800 teams from all over the country. And we were extremely elated when we got to know that we were the winners of the hackathon. So it has been a very nice experience. We got a lot to learn from our fellow contestants and fellow participants. We also had a lot of domain experts that judged us on our project. So it was a really nice experience presenting it to someone who knows the domain much better than we do, and it was a very good journey. So the initial criteria that we had to fulfill was the basic marks that we had to get in 11th and 10th and 12th standard. So all of us had those. We were 3 teammates, me, Rohan and Rudranj from IC departments. So all of us had the basic eligibility criteria for applying. And then we had the first round. The first round was a simple coding round. Everyone got 4 questions and we had to clear it within a stipulated amount of time. So we cleared it, and then we received a mail that we were selected, and we had to choose a domain and then present an idea to the company. So we chose operational domain and started working on it. It was a post-epidemic project that we had to build so that it could ensure the safety and security of every single personnel who was actually visiting the company, or maybe an education institution or anything for that matter. So yeah, that was a domain, and a lot of brainstorming went into it to come up with the project. And Rohan will explain further on what we did and what were the further steps that we had to do. Thank
you. Hi. So during the hackathon, we had to address a specific domain, which was the Operation Challenge domain, in which we had to address the several problems which would be faced by the industries once they start opening after the COVID-19 pandemic. So when we tried to come up with a solution, we narrowed it down to a very specific problem which we were facing during the extreme times of COVID. It was the use of elevators in maybe in an apartment or in an office. So the first thing was people gathering inside the elevator, and the second thing was the use of lift buttons. So these lift buttons were thought of to be a place of high contamination of COVID-19 virus. So several people came up with solutions like using toothpicks or many others, but this was not a foolproof solution. So what we tried to do is, we tried to replicate that lift button circuitry onto a user's smartphone, which would interact with the lift circuitry with a Bluetooth module present inside the circuitry, and thus help the person to move without touching the lift buttons. So this plugin had a Android Arduino board and a Bluetooth module present inside. So this circuitry would interact with the lift circuitry mechanism, thus feeding the data into it and eliminating the use of lift buttons. Second thing what we did was, if a person wants to call a lift on its floor, we replaced the buttons with an infrared sensors, so that just the person had to wave his hands outside and he was able to call the lift onto his floor, thus also removing the lift buttons which were present outside and making the whole experience a touchless experience for people, so and also reducing the spread of the coronavirus. Thank you.
Hi. For the demo day presentation, we were in the company of a few participants, a few panelists and coordinators from SAP, and our whole team. So first we presented the presentation that we had prepared for the demo day. After that, we also showed a live demonstration of the whole project, and later, after this procedure was over, the panelists had various questions that were related to the technology part as well as the business side of our project. They were like, how should we implement it as a viable solution for a profitable amount and all that. So there were many questions and we answered as we thought they were right. We had prepared well, quite enough, but at some questions we obviously got stuck. It was a great experience working with them, with the whole interaction was a really good experience that it would not have been possible via any other way. And all the panelists who were present were specialists in their own fields. And in the final day, the results were told, and we were also introduced to all the team members and all the participants who were present. It was an overall great experience, and we loved it. And we as a team, when worked together, it was like great working with Rohan and Sagnik, who is from CSE department. And like, it's always a pleasure doing a hackathon with friends, and I think it was a very good experience, to all. And I would like to thank the college for this